Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you English lesson number 8 The Story of Peter Rabbit. आज हम किसकी स्टोरी पढ़ने वाले हैं? Story of Peter Rabbit. Let's start. Warm up. Put a tick if the picture shows children following rules. So हमें यहाँ पे किसे टिक मार्क करना है? Those pictures जहाँ पे दिखा रहा है कि students और children are following the rules. Now what is the first picture? Throwing garbage. Is he following the rule? No. So put a cross. Then the second picture is of crossing the road. The boy is following the rule? Yes, he is crossing road from the zebra cross. So put tick. Here children are following rules. Put a tick mark. Here no rules are followed. So put a cross. Okay. Come to the next part. Read. Peter the little rabbit lives with his mother and his 3 brothers. They live under a big apple tree. तो हमारे स्टोरी में कौन है? Peter Rabbit and his 3 brothers. He lives with his 3 brothers and mama. Okay, where do these live? They live under the big apple tree. कहाँ रहते हैं? Big apple tree के नीचे. Mama Rabbit needs to go to the market. She asked Peter and his brother to play close to home. Don't go near Mr. Roy's garden, warns Mama Rabbit. Now Mama Rabbit को कहाँ जाना है? She want to go to the market. So what she is warning? आपकी मामा वॉर्न करके जाती है ना, इथं तिथं जायचं नाही म्हणून. सेम वे मामा रैबिट ने क्या किया है? वॉर्न. शी वॉन्ट टू पीटर एंड हिज ब्रदर्स नॉट टू गो टू मिस्टर रॉय's गार्डन. बट देर आर जूसी कैरेट्स एंड टर्निप्स in Mr. Roy's garden. We want to taste them, plead the little rabbits. What little rabbit said? That they want to eat carrots and turnip. किसके गार्डन में है? Mr. Roy's garden. No, says Mama Rabbit loud. What did Mama Rabbit say? No, you are not going to go there. Come to next page. Page number 73. Next. Peter Rabbit's brothers listen to their mother and play near the house. But Peter wants to taste the juicy vegetables. He runs to Mr. Roy's garden and slips under the wooden gate. So, Mama Rabbit की बातें सबने मानी. But Peter, he want to taste carrots and turnip. That's why he ran to the Mr. Roy's garden. First he eats some huge carrots and then some tiny turnips. They taste yummy. Then he wants to eat some lettuce. So, what happened? When Peter Rabbit went to the Mr. Roy's garden, he slipped under the wooden gate. वो wooden gate से अंदर गिर गया. And he had some huge carrots. He had eaten carrots. Then he had eaten turnips. And अभी से क्या खाना है? Lettuce. But when he reaches the lettuce patch, he spots Mr. Roy. Oops! Peter screamed. What happened? When he went to the lettuce farm, lettuce garden, he sees the Mr. Roy. And what did he scream? Oops! Mr. Roy looks up and shouts, "Stop, you thief!" Mr. Roy ने क्या कहा पीटर को? Stop, you thief! Peter is frightened. He runs here and there, but cannot find the way out. Peter runs as fast as he can. He loses one of his red shoes in the carrot patch, but he does not care. He runs to save his life. What happened the next? क्या हो गया? Mr. Roy had seen Peter Rabbit and he shouted, "Stop, you thief!" Peter was frightened. Now he is running to find the way. गेट से बाहर निकलने के लिए क्या कर रहा था वो? रास्ता ढूंढ रहा था, right? And that's why what happened? He loses red shoe. See here in this picture. उसके एक पैर में shoes है and second में shoe है क्या? No. उसने अपना shoe कहाँ घुमा दिया? In the carrot patch. But he is running. Peter passes the gooseberries. His new blue jacket gets caught in the gooseberry net. He tries to free himself. He sees Mr. Roy rushing with a stick. He managed to slip out of his blue jacket and run. So, when he was running, Peter was running, what happened? He got stuck in the gooseberry net. यहाँ पे net में वो अटक गया. And his jacket was stuck in the net. But somehow, Peter Rabbit was managed to come out of his jacket. And he was running more fast. What he saw, Mr. Roy was coming with a stick. Just then he spots the gate. He runs to the gate and slips under it. Then he runs to his home. And just then what did Peter Rabbit see? He sees the garden gate. And somehow he manages to come out of the gate. और वो क्या हो गया? गेट से बाहर आ गया. He is happy to be back with his family. He decides to always listen to his mother. So, what did Peter Rabbit decided? That he should always listen to his mother. उसे अपनी मम्मी की बात माननी चाहिए थी, right? So, students, what did you understand from this story? That you should always listen to your parents, your elders and your teachers. Okay? Otherwise, आपकी हालत कैसी हो जाएंगी? Peter Rabbit जैसी, right? So, read this story again and watch the video. Bye bye.